Hi there, I'm Caroline and I'm the president of the Photonics Society at UCSB. If you clicked on this video, you might be wondering, what is photonics? Photonics is the study of light-emitting devices and ways to use light. The prefix photo, as in photography or photosynthesis, means light. Maybe you've heard of a photon. A photon is considered a particle of light. The Photonics Society at UCSB is a student chapter of several different professional development organizations in photonics. We have seminars where people from all over the globe come to present their state-of-the-art work in photonics. UCSB itself is a hub for photonics research, and if you're interested in learning more about research on campus, we host graduate student seminars and socials to help bring the research community together. There are also a lot of local jobs in photonics, and we work with local companies to give students the chance to network and explore career options. In addition to our professional development, we also host science outreach activities with the local community to show people how cool photonics can be. We partner with different groups to bring demos and hands-on activities to people of all ages. If you're interested in learning more, shoot us an email, check out our website, attend a seminar, or participate in one of our general meetings. Thanks for watching.
Hey, don't drink the science.